Umoto lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. Well. After 5 days in Diani beach and Mombasa overall, it's time for us, me and my family to say goodbye to Mombasa. So far Mombasa has been a blessing. Mombasa has been good. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom here in Diani beach, kind of winding everything, taking a shower, getting my clothes out of here, my shower, making sure everything is okay. Of course, I'm here to clean up here, all my makeup. Guys, Mombasa is hot. No need to carry your makeup. You don't need a makeup in Mombasa. I am burning. Mombasa is hot, so I will say goodbye so far, and I just made breakfast for everybody. So everybody's waking up, about taking a shower. We should be leaving here in about an hour to go to back to Nairobi. And yes, we are using the SGR, which is a train that we used before, and we are going to use it again to go back to Nairobi, which is about 5 hours from Mombasa to Nairobi. And I love my bed, the net, everything here to cover your mosquito. Guys, I loved this pillow. They had these beautiful decorative pillows that has the zebra of Africa, Mama Africa. So the pillows was so nice. And of course I loved the whole bed. This was a king size bed. Of course, this is my luggage in here. I'm about to pretty much put everything in here so that we can go. And I loved this place. And they have this huge mirror here, side mirror, which I love so much. So this mirror will allow me to kind of see everything. Mirror. And look at this art is in front of this mirror. And yes, that's me. This is our bedroom that we used, and I loved the floor. So the owner of this house, if you'll be watching this video, I can say thank you so much for your accommodation and the house in overall in Diani Beach. I will really recommend this house for anybody who is coming. Guys, I'm opening these windows so that I can look outside. Look at the view outside. It's breathtaking. So the owner of this villa here in Diani, thank you so much for maintaining the house and for making sure that we had a hot shower. This is the bed. Look at the way they make. Look, they have those strings right there, and this is how they hang their bed. So whenever you're sleeping in there, my goodness, you're cozy. Of course, they have the AC and everything here. Although Mombasa is hot, I'm not gonna complain, but overall everything has been so good with us. So my people are eating, some of them are awake, some of them are eating breakfast. So far I cannot forget this art here. Look. This is on the hallway wall, and this one here. So, and yes, we're watching news, and this is me kind of saying goodbye to Diani. I wanted to show you, because I forgot to show you this art that is on the beach. This is actually how the beach looks like. This is where we were. Look at that. Look at the fish. We were here and we were having fun. I love these palm trees right here. My goodness, they were so beautiful. If you did not watch the video of me showing you the beach, please do so. I love this couch that they put here next to the window that does justice. So when you open the window, you can see outside the forest. And this is how Diani it's supposed to be. And they have this other door here. When you overlooking here, you can see the neighbor on the other side, and they have a pool right there. And look at these trees. from right your window. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to Diani. Look at those flowers. Oh my goodness, the beauty of Diani is over the moon. And of course, I loved the couch. It's so beautiful here. Yes, and I loved this table here. Of course, we're eating our breakfast. Like, we have bananas, we have fruits, we have everything here. And look at the couch as well. I loved it. And also, I loved this decoration they put here where they burn the candles. Look at that. It's just made out of wood. Yes. And this side table is actually beautiful. On top they have a grass. Really nice. And I loved the symbol rules that they had here. Make sure you read these rules whenever you come here. Amazing. And this is another window that they had here, and also it's overlooking outside the neighbor. I loved it. Look. Also they have another picture art on the wall. I love this art right here. Look at that, Mama Africa. Also, I know our table is messed because we have our things on top here. We are about to leave, but I loved the setting of this table. It's a round table. Look at the chairs. The chairs, they are not a level, guys. Look at them. Look at this chair. Very, very beautiful and fancy for this beach right here. They have this cross wrap across the table, and of course they have the table mat. Oh my goodness, this was absolutely beautiful. I'm not doing justice when I'm putting my stuff up here. Let me see so that you guys can see the table. Look at that. Let me get my box out so that you can see the beauty of this table. Look at that table. It's a round table and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chairs surrounding this massive table, guys. I loved it. So far, look at the floor. It's so good. And I loved the staircase that goes all the way to the above rooms that I did the tour. Make sure you check it out. And before that, I'm gonna take you outside here. Let me see. Let me take you outside. Look at that. So the moment you get out, this is what you see. You can decide to have your coffee, evening talk, whatever here in the morning. Of course, this is so beautiful. And you can just relax here and sleep here, enjoy. Or you can be sitting on this massive chair right here and enjoy the beauty of Diani Beach. Look at outside, guys. They have another cottage right there. Those are all cottages on the other side. I don't know, cottage or villa on the other side of the across the street. There are so many, guys. It's your choice to choose, but this is the one we chose, and it's so beautiful. That is another one on the other side that we were seeing from the window. Look at these trees. Amazing, guys. And there's so many monkeys jumping on top of these trees. Look, I'm speaking of the monkey. It's right there. Look. It's right there jumping. Monkey. It's like that. Look at it. It's right there looking at me. Hey monkey. It's right there. Look at it. Oh, there's another one right there jumping. So this house villa is surrounded by the monkeys. It's so beautiful, I tell you. So gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at the scenery. Let me stand here so that I can show you. Look at, they have this walkway. You can walk all the way to the pool. Yesterday we had a chance to swim here. Look, Mr. Monkey. Monkey's here. He's here just looking at me. Look at this decorations. The monkeys are jumping, guys. Let me show you another monkey. It's right there. It's like we're surrounded by the monkeys. They're jumping. They're jumping. It's right there. I guess they're looking for food or they're having fun this morning. So you can tell it's a monkey area. I loved it so much. Let me see if I can capture monkey jumping for you. Yes, this is your girl getting ready. I know I'm sweating, guys. Mombasa is so hot. The heat is on another level. So whenever you come here, do not carry your sweater. You don't need your coat. You don't need your jacket. Basically, it's hot. That's all I can tell you. So let me go find my monkeys. Let me see. Project this. Where did you go, monkey? I'm looking, hunting for monkeys. This video is gonna be hunting for monkeys in Diani beach. Let me see if we can hunt some. They went this way. And look at these trees. They're so tall. That's how or where they hide. But I love the entrance of this. This is the gate right here, and then you come all the way. You can see how beautiful it is. You come all the way to these steps right here. And yesterday I had a chance to wash my clothes, and then you can hang your clothes out here on this wire. They have this beautiful wire here where you can hang your clothes right here. And this is the back door, so you can hang your clothes on this wire. And the other neighbor, look at the monkeys right there. Hey monkey, hey, look, it's right there looking at me. Monkey, monkey, looking at me. Look at it. It's just sitting right there. Guys, this place, look, the monkey is on top of that villa. Right there. It's on top of the roof. Look at the Manyatta house. So the monkey is walking. You can see him. Look, he's going to peep on the house to see maybe something to eat. He could be hungry. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. So this is why I love this place, because of this monkeys. And across down there 5 minutes, it's a beach. It's a long beautiful beach that I did a video for you guys to enjoy. And when you go through the gate, you go down there, all the way there, you can just see the beach. And on the side of the beach is a beautiful hotel. Guys, this hotel, I tell you, hotel down there, guys, the lighting is not doing justice for me this morning. Yes, the sunrise is coming from there. So this hotel actually, it's for the servers are the deaf people who can't hear, but they're so good. You can learn the signs, and they're willing to teach you the signs. They say thank you. But it's a quiet, nice place that is served by the deaf people. Before the beautiful ladies and gentlemen there who can hear. And I was so amazed to see this kind of service. So guys, let me go inside and pack our bags, and we go. So we're gonna say goodbye to this beautiful Diani beach here, and our host again, thank you so much. And for those ones who are watching, if you want to come to Diani beach, make sure you inbox me or IG on my IG, so that I can tell you more about the Diani beach and what you need to know about it, the booking and everything, the recommendations and everything. So far I can say we have enjoyed our stay here in the Diani. Diani beach is in Mombasa. Mombasa is the coastal region of Kenya, and of course we had time in our beach, which is Indian Ocean. So far guys, thank you so much. Let me go hurry up because we are about to leave. So thank you so much for watching these episodes of Mombasa series, and we're yet to go back to Nairobi so we can do more videos from me to you guys. And from Mombasa Diani beach, I say bye bye guys. Let's go see the beach again.
a shoe.